Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. As we are seeing Python tricks and tips, here is our next trick. So set comprehension. What is set comprehension? It is simple and concise way to implement loops. When you have simple logic to implement, it is recommended to use set comprehension. It returns new set. Right? So what is the syntax of set comprehension? Here curly brackets are used. As it is set comprehension, here curly brackets are used. And what you have to write, you have to iterate on this collection for I in collection. So one by one it will take element I, and whatever operation you want to do on this I, that you have to write in expression, and it will return you one new set. Right? This is the set comprehension. We will see this practically. Now we will see set comprehension practically. So now I will take here one num list, and here I will take elements 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and here I will take 3. So now I want new set, and what is that new set is containing whatever the list elements are there. Each element should get squared. So this is my condition. So for that, what I need to take, I need to take one empty set. So here output set is equal to empty set I am taking. So set, we need to use set function for this. Then we have to use loop. First we will see how to implement using loop, then we will go for set comprehension. For I in num list, and what we want to do, we want to update this set with value of square of each element from this list. So I power 2, right? So I power 2 I have taken, and then we will print this set on the console. If I run this, I got this set. In set insert, whatever the insertion order is not preserved, so because of that, here we are getting elements in this way. Also only unique elements are allowed. Because of that, 3 square is there, so 9 is mentioned only once, right? So this is using loop. So the same thing we will implement using set comprehension. So you have to take O set, and here as it is set comprehension, here curly brackets are used. So now we are going to iterate over this list, num list, and what operation you want to do on each element, you want to do square. So this is the expression I power 2, and here we will print this O set on the console. So now here we got this set. So first we have implemented using loops, and here we have implemented using set comprehension. So in loop, how many lines you have to take? You have to write 3 lines, and you have to take first empty set, and then you have to update that set in this loop. So but here in set comprehension, it is already returning us new set, right? So in this way you can implement set comprehension. So if you like content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching the video.